Dear student, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this tricky math question. Trust me, mostly people can solve this question by wrong method. He can solve this as 7 minus 7 equals to 0 time 7 minus 7 again equals to 0 and 0 times 0 equals 0. But trust me, this answer is wrong because the order of operation which is called PEMDAS. According to the rule of PEMDAS rule, multiplication have higher priority than other operation like addition and subtraction. So firstly, in this case, we can solve firstly multiplication. So 7 times 7 equals 49 minus 7. So now again minus 49 and minus 7 equals negative 56 and 7 minus 56 equal negative 49. So this is the final answer of this question. To see more maths video, subscribe to the channel.